In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for free without login. By the end, you'll be able to open ChatGPT in your browser and start a conversation immediately with no account required. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the simplest way to get to the correct place quickly. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official ChatGPT site, which is typically listed as chatgpt.com. Some results may be ads or third-party tools, so choosing the official site ensures you get the genuine experience and the latest features. Click the official result to open the ChatGPT homepage. When the page loads, you should see a chat box at the bottom of the screen. In many cases, you can start typing right away without logging in. That means you can test the tool, ask questions, and explore how it responds without creating an account. Keep in mind that using ChatGPT without signing in may come with limitations, like a cap on how many messages you can send or missing features such as saved chat history and certain advanced tools. If you later decide you want those extras, you can always sign in. But for now, we'll focus on the free, no login experience. To start, type a clear question or task into the message box. For example, try, "Help me understand algebra step by step." This kind of prompt works well because it tells ChatGPT both the topic and the format you want. Expect a structured explanation with definitions, examples, and a logical progression. If the explanation moves too fast, follow up with a message like, "Go slower and include a simple practice problem," and it will adjust. Another great way to experiment is with learning and testing prompts. Type, "Quiz me on world history." You can ask for a specific era, difficulty level, or number of questions to tailor the experience. If you prefer bite-sized practice, say, "Ask me one question at a time and wait for my answer." A few quick tips to get better results. Be specific about your goal. Include any constraints like time or level, and avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in your prompts. If a response isn't quite right, clarify what you need and ask for a revision. That's all there is to it. You visited Google, searched for ChatGPT, clicked the official site, and started chatting, all without logging in. Try your own topics, refine your prompts, and see how much you can learn for free.